Di sila ganahan na ako magsenador. Kaya kung magsenador ko, itaas ko yung tax sa mining. Which is stuck at 3 to 4%. That's why Romualdez doesn't... Romualdez is the leader of all these mining companies.
So, mas mataas pa sa...
Ginububa nila ang aton environment. They cut down our trees. They dislocate na yung balance ng environment. Quarrying also leads to all this flooding. Do you notice any senator who said that we should increase the tax on mining? Bakit? Takot ba kayo sa mga may-ari ng mina? Ako hindi ba nakutakot kasi ayoko na i-tax nyo kami ng 12%, tapos ang minahan, tax nyo lang 4%? Mga tricycle driver, 12%? Unsa man na? Unsa man di ay na? That's why I'm saying, scrap na ng VAT. Do it over again. Kung pobre ka, kapalit kag gatas, kapalit kag tambal, wadi man ka senior, bayad yung ka plus tax. Oh. Anong VAT? Wala man gi-exempt ng mga pobre. Ay na may indigent card. Oh, tigil sila. Kay ilan man ang source. That is the milking cow. We have the highest VAT at 12% in the whole of Asia.